17. Bani Israel, the Israelites. Surah 50 according to the order of revelation. This is a Makki surah revealed after the events of Isra and Miraj, which took place about a year and a half before the Hijrah. The surah has 111 verses and 12 sections. This surah concentrates on some important moral and spiritual principles. It emphasizes that human beings always need divine guidance. Without the guidance of Allah, humans end up in evil, sin, and misery. Human beings must have good relations with each other and live in society built on the principles of faith, justice, and morality. The surah talks about the evils of pride and arrogance and urges human beings to reflect on Allah's signs and be humble before Him in prayers. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Isra, journey of the Prophet to Jerusalem and the history of that area. Number 2. Human beings are hasty. Reward and punishment all have their time. Number 3. Moral and spiritual principles are emphasized. Worship of Allah and respect of parents. Number 4. Moral principles. Children rights, decency, right of life, orphans property, honesty in dealings, humbleness. Number 5. Tawheed is the basic message of the Quran. Number 6. Gentleness is enjoined. Number 7. Satan's pride against man and his pledge to mislead human beings. Number 8. Everyone will be brought on the day of judgment with her own deeds. Number 9. Emphasis on prayers and on the reading of the Quran. Number 10. The Quran is inimitable. Number 11. Non-believers have lame arguments against accepting the prophets. Number 12. The attitude of Pharaoh towards Prophet Moses and the signs that he showed.